Good day and welcome to my channel where we make structural engineering design simple and easy. My name is Olodukonyede and I'm your host. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel, and those who are yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. And there's a very interesting news that we are starting our Abalone School of Civil Engineering Designs and Practice, where the link will be put on the description of this video for you to access. That is an academy we are building, which is very good. So today we'll be talking about the do's and don'ts of modeling. The do's and don'ts of modeling. So the number one thing in Prota, if you've done this, is the do's is there must be a grid line across your column. Very important. So you can either import or you do the grid lines manually. So but if you want to do it, we click and we've generated the grid line. So this is the first thing we do when modeling. This is the first do. Your grid line must be the first. The second do is your column. We are saying 230. Let's say 230 by 230. 230 by 2. Okay, you have your 230 by 230. You click on the intercept of these two lines. Those are another do that you need to pay attention to. That if there's no intercept, then you can't insert your column. So this is very important. Make sure that your intercept, your column, they are together. So if you've achieved this, the next thing you need to do is your beam. If you come to this place, click your beam. You click your beam, and we are using 230 by 450. By 450. So do it from here. So yeah, if you right click, it will go out. So click from here. So yeah, you either press enter to remove, to discontinue. You click here. Click. Click. So we are done with our beam. Come to slab. Click on slab. Change this to 150. Move to loads. Click on load. Here we change it to 2.2. 2.2. Here on the impose load, right click it. Click on general. So you come here, click. So with this now, we've done this floor floor level. So come to building setup. If you click on insert story, your story you are inserting, if you are doing a 2-story building, it sees the roof as another floor. So you say 2. If it's a single floor, you make it 2, because it sees the roof as a floor. So we say okay. Say okay. Then come back here. Now you are in story 2, but move it back to story 1. Go to building setup, generate story. This is our source and this is our target. We don't want slab on the roof area, so we uncheck all those ones, anything about slab, and we say okay. So it has completed it, and now we have this. So on this first floor now, our wall loads on this beam. If you right click on it, you go down, you see edit wall beam wall load. Once you click on it, you will see the dialog box here. The weights of units, the wall unit weight of a block is 3.47. Very important. The height of the wall is 2.7. The width, the thickness is 0.23. So this is it. Once you say okay, you see it here. So what you do is to click on this, right click and copy beam wall load. Once you do that, you can either select everything or you search out where the wall load will appear. Then you paste copy wall load, you say yes. So once you do that, all this will be pasted with the wall load. Then if you come here, story 2, since is the roof on, we say we right click again, edit beam wall load. Normally we assume 1. We just make everything uniform so that the loads on the wall should just be 1 kilonewton per meter square, which could be lesser or 0.23 or thereabout, but to be on the safe side, let's use 1. So once you say okay, same procedure, right click, copy beam wall load, then same thing and alight, then paste, say yes. So with this we've done what we need to do. So this is your 3D version of this. So this is how you model your structure. But if you want to design, you now come to analysis, building analysis, loads combination. Here, if you say loads generator, it will pop here. If you click here, it will only do the vertical load. But if your floor is more than 4-story, 3 to 4-story building, you need to apply wind loads by clicking on wind. You can either click define negative load, and once you do this and click OK, it automatically takes care of everything. So but for now, we may not be applying wind load because it's just a single floor. So let's assume it's only vertical load we are working on. We say okay. So it gives us this. We say okay. Now we'll come to edit material. Click on it. All this will leave. This we can say check and uncheck. We say 16. We do 16 diameter and 20 diameter. We say okay. We'll come to beam. Same thing. We check and uncheck so that we check the right one. We say 16 and 20. We say okay. Slab, we say check and uncheck. 12 diameter. We have our links. We say 10. For foundation, we can still say check and uncheck. Let's do 16. We say okay. So we can close this. So with this now, we still go back to analysis. Let me explain something here. If you come to analysis, load decomposition, click on that, it will show you here. Then you said this is the bashing. You say okay. It starts bashing all together. So give it time to run, and as it's running, it's taking care of the design and everything. It's taking care of the design and everything. So it has finished. You say okay. If you see it now, this is showing good. You close. You say apply to all beams in the model. So we've done that. What we need to do is to come here. After all that, what we need to do now is we go to setting. If you go to, you can see a general setting, or we setting. Now we do the beam design, story building. So what we are trying to do is to tell the system what to use. All these parameter, we say y 16 years. The link spacing, we say let it be 200. 200. Okay. 200 beam will come here, pattern, everything. We're okay with that. Curtailing, I think we are okay. Then if we say detailing, this is an important part we'll look at. Here it will take 3 sections, but we just take one so that the work would be neater. And whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. How you want here to be. If you want this, if you don't want it to just appear as A on this section, uncheck this, so it will bring out this. So whatever you do, if you want the numbers to be printed, you click on this, so it shows you the number. So this is very important. This is what you do, and if you're okay with it, you say okay, and you say yes. Okay, so next thing you click and you do building analysis. Building analysis. Come to analysis, check this. We need column design, we need this design, and you click run or start for it to analyze your model. So this is what we've done for modeling it and also doing the design. So this is where everything comes to play. So give it time, it will work all through and finally comes to a conclusion. So it has finished doing the design. You say okay, we close here. So typically we have done a design. We've done the design. If If you look all here, these are columns. Normally this is to show you the tree. This story 1 is column and all whatnot. So to check what you've done the design for, go to this design, column design. Either you go to your beam or you go to your column, but now let's go to beam. So as you're here, if all these are showing not design or not okay, 2 ways we can do it. You either click here and click interactive design. It will now show you why. Then there's something I want you to pay attention to. Look at this unit ratio. Anyone less than 1 means is okay. Less than 1 is okay. What you just need to do, if it's showing you this X, is to go in and see why it's doing that. But anything less than 1 means is okay. So let's see. So if you look here, everything here is okay. The only challenge we are having maybe is our links which can be solved. Let's just see. So typically say okay, let me see. Okay, it's okay, provided here is not showing you any red sign here. Say okay, it will change. Okay, so let's just say okay. So if you do that all through, it will turn green and you have everything fixed. So I think we'll stop here for now. If you still have any question or anything that is not too clear, please feel free to contact us. And if you are interested in our School of Civil Engineering Design and Practice, please, the link is below for you to click and partake in our school. Until I come again next time, remain blessed. Thanks.